certified by WeatherRate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Welcome back, everyone. 5:45 on this sleepy Friday morning. I bet a lot of people are sleeping in, not having to work, go to school. Here's what Branson looks like right now. Looks like Christmas, and it is Christmas weekend. Snow-covered roadways there in Branson, and we're going to see snow-covered secondaries a lot of places today. And because the temperatures are so cold, it's just not going anywhere anytime soon. This will actually qualify us as a white Christmas for the first time since 2009. Wind chill warning in effect. This goes until 6 p.m. Good news, we've actually been downgraded to a wind chill advisory as we head overnight tonight. That's not quite yet. It's still very, very cold out there. -6 is the air temperature. -7 in Fort Leonard Wood. -8 in Raw. Looks like they're the coldest spot on the map right now. Here's what it feels like, though, because we have a strong northerly wind, so it feels like -33. It feels like -25 out there. You're going to want to bundle up extra layers everywhere if you have to get out and about in this. And I know people probably still have to run errands for Christmas. Throw a blanket in your car, because if you were to get stuck or stopped or needed help, you're going to want to have a little extra warmth on you for sure. Wind gusts. Now, winds are strong, and they're going to continue to be strong as we head throughout the afternoon. At about 2 p.m., 31-mile-per-hour wind gusts dying down just a little bit as we head overnight. Now, temperatures are so cold, it doesn't feel like it's going to help much, but it will. Here's what the feels like forecast is. Wind chills at 7:30, about where we are right now. As we progress throughout the day, not going down much until this evening. Will be about 1:30 this afternoon, a -14. And then overnight, we're going to be about a -10. Early tomorrow morning, kind of about a -10 or even 9 is what it's going to feel like by tomorrow afternoon. So there's a little relief in sight, just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. I wanted to tell you something interesting. As cold as it is right now, this is not record cold. Perhaps you remember back in 1989 or 1983 was another cold snap around this time. But 1989, it was -16 for the air temperature, -15 in Joplin, -12. You get the idea. We're close. I mean, it's cold out there. There's no denying that. But we're not that cold. Here's what our satellite and radar shows. If you notice, like down into Branson, along Table Rock Lake, or up towards Lake of the Ozarks, you might see just a little bit of action. Lake effect snowfall. So if you're seeing some snow, that's what that is. Very interesting. We don't see that often. For today, about 10 degrees for a high, a little cooler out to the east. Northwest winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, temperatures will be in the single digits. Very, very cold out there once again. But looking ahead to your Christmas weekend, this looks a little bit better. 21 on Saturday, and then on Sunday, we're going to be about 29 degrees, which looks really, really nice. I do want to mention one thing as we jump ahead. We're not going to see any precipitation this weekend, but Sunday night into early Monday, a quick little clipper system could move through and bring a shot of snow, mainly for our northern counties. We might start off Monday morning with a dusting. I just want to get that on your radar. Literally and figuratively right there. As cold as it is, guys, I do have good news. Wonderful news. Look at next Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures are going to rebound, and we are going to be back into the 50s, almost 60 degrees by Thursday. Jen?
All right. Thanks, Natalie. I like seeing that light at the end of the